Okay, guys, I've made a bunch of money from the TikTok rewards program, the creativity program beta, the creator rewards program, whatever you want to call it. And if you want to start making a ton of money, listen up. And I'm going to tell you basically what's going on. I'm going to tell you how I do it. Okay, first of all, they pay you for videos that are a minute long. Cool, we got that. You need to keep someone interested for a whole minute long. Next thing is that it depends who you're targeting. If you're targeting babies by CoComelon videos, chances are you're not going to make a lot of money because who can buy products if they're watching CoComelon videos? I don't watch CoComelon videos, okay? If you can have your videos target someone who's older, someone who is like at least above college, you can probably make a lot of money because you'll have a higher RPM. If you're targeting just funny, silly, stupid videos, then your RPM is going to be pretty low, probably somewhere around the 30 cents range. If you can talk to people, if you can make videos that are applied to like maybe adults or young adults or some sort of demographic of people that has money to spend, then maybe you can go to 90 cents, $1 above that. And that's where you want to be. You want your RPM to be high because it makes all your numbers better. Second of all is this new thing that they're introducing in the creator rewards program where they're making this searchable content. What does that mean? What does it mean, searchable content? Guys, let me explain this to you. And I also, just please trust me, guys. TikTok has basically been competing with Google as a search engine for the past couple of years. People now go on TikTok more than they go on Google to look up, best food in LA, things like that, because it just is better. I use it. I want to see someone actually eat the thing. I don't want to go on Google anymore. I want to see someone on TikTok eat the food and see what they really think about the food because it feels more genuine. But that expands to more things than just food. So TikTok is going even harder to turn into a search engine to compete with Google. And it's a good thing for us guys, because if we make videos on relevant topics that people are really searching, then people can watch our videos and keep coming back to our videos to learn about certain hot topics. And our videos can potentially start to monetize like YouTube videos. I'm just making a prediction here, but I have a feeling I'm right. So this can become potentially a very long-term sustainable thing. The next part is that this creator search insights tool. And what this whole thing people are talking about is basically, it's telling you what people are looking for. So for example, if you were starting on YouTube today and you're like, damn, I just want to blow up on YouTube and I just want to make viral videos so I can make money, you should just find out the questions that people want answered. If people are looking up, how tall is Theodore Roosevelt, you should make a YouTube video about how tall is Theodore Roosevelt, because that video is going to come up on Google and people are going to click on your video. So it's going to be more than just like, I don't have followers. No, these platforms, let me explain this to you guys. These platforms want to show you the best videos possible to maintain your attention on the platform, right? So if that is the case, then they want to pay you to make these really good videos. So what all is happening right now is they're trying to double down on it and make really good content that can even go harder at the Google stuff, and it can keep working. Like, what is a anaconda snake? Obviously, these become very niche in TikTok, but if you guys want to make a ton of money and you just want to start today, I would say you should go on the Creator Search Insights thing, look at the top trending things, and just start doing like 10 minutes of research and make a whole video explaining these things and have these things blow up, because TikTok wants to show people these videos. I have made a ton of money from TikTok, making minute-long videos, getting them attention. I'm now working on providing more educational content because that pays better than making silly, goofy content, because people who watch silly, goofy content are maybe younger people or people who just don't really want to spend money. So that's why I'm also making a bunch of videos giving my genuine expert advice on how to blow up on TikTok, how to make money on TikTok, because I know it really well, and I'm trying to kind of corner the market in a way where I'm I am the one who really knows how to talk about this thing, because I'm bigger than and I don't mean this to be but I'm bigger than people who have 10K, this is how you blow up. No, I actually know how to blow up. So if you guys want to ask me any questions you have about social media, I know I make a lot of really silly, goofy videos, but guys, I really know what I'm doing, and I'd love to help you guys out, and it also helps me out. But I'm putting y'all on. I'll keep making videos about this stuff, but ask me questions, y'all. I'm so happy to answer it. I love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Make minute-long content. Start today. This does apply to people who are 18 in the US. But yeah, do your thing. Guys, you can make a lot of money. It changed my life. That's all I'll say. It changed my life. Love you guys. Bye.